What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I will be showing you how to save and or share a TikTok as a GIF on the TikTok app itself. This is a feature that they built in, and basically this is a great way if you're trying to save any TikTok that you see, but you don't necessarily want the sound with it. You want to create it and export it as a GIF. I'm not exactly sure why they implemented into this, but it is a great feature whenever you want GIFs, and it is kind of hard to get GIFs on your iPhone. I do have a tutorial though, by the way, if you are looking to do that, so check on my channel for that. But back to this tutorial as far as downloading these TikToks as a GIF. I'm just going to go ahead and select a random TikTok here for the example in this video. And what you're going to do is hit the little three dots. They're kind of in the bottom right hand corner there, right above the music you can see, and right below the commenting section there. And it's going to take up this menu here. And basically what you're looking at is the bottom row. At the bottom there, there's a bunch of different gray options. And you'll be scrolling all the way to the left there, where you will see an option all the way at the right to create it as a GIF and share it as a GIF. But this is also saving it in a bunch of different options. It kind of just came up fast there. I kind of had to edit it out for various reasons, but it came up with all those different options. And if you did pause or saw that you could actually save it there and it will save to your phone, or you could share it to whoever you want to. It's pretty simple from there, so I didn't feel the need to have to re-record that. And you could also pause if you really have any questions. But if you did have any other questions other than that, you could leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.